We have a little phrase that we like to use, which is that we believe that through listening, one can learn as much about the world as by looking. Hi, my name is Steve Norton. I am one of the co-founders of the Island Soundscape Project. My practice now is based firmly in field recording, soundscape composition, and acoustic ecology.
I'm Adriana Cavalcanti. I'm a alumni from Maine. I am also an environmental artist with science background.
And I'm Nate Aldrich. I am an adjunct professor here at UMaine and have had professional experiences in theater, in music, and in interactive art over the last 40 years.
The Island Soundscape Project, in my opinion, and I think we all agree, it's a collaborative research project that involves art, I see a tripod of art, society, and sciences.
We are interested in gathering very full, enveloping soundscapes in whatever location it is that we're working. And often we will attempt to gather what we consider to be expanded soundscapes, which is the practice of acoustic material gathered via sensors such as contact microphones and hydrophones, in addition to airborne microphones which gather the airborne sound that is what's typically available to a listener.
The essential question is that it's known today, not just among scientists, that through the sound we can estimate diversity.
You can experience the world by looking at it. You can experience the world by smelling it, by tasting it, and by listening to it. And all of those experiences are these sort of commingling, supplemental ways of just being in the world. Island Soundscape Project is inherently generated from our experiences in the state of Maine, is not either unique, nor is it a mystery. A woman named Rachel Carson wrote a book called Silent Spring, on which she speculated that at some point in the future, if man doesn't stop polluting, a spring will come around where there's no birdsong. And this book basically starts the contemporary ecological movement. Rachel Carson got those insights at her house on the coast of Maine. We are really carrying on a legacy of a very, very insightful woman 50 years later.